Now the time is 7:30 a.m. You can see all the boys and girls coming to school with their bag. You can see all the boys and girls are in a very energetic manner. Now they're engaged in going to their class, keeping their bag in the class, and they are ready to get assembled in the morning prayer assembly. Here all the students are divided into 4 houses. All students will stand according to their house, and now they form a straight queue. You can find all the buses are coming. Students will get down and they will get assembled in this morning prayer. In this morning prayer, we have at first morning prayer will be sung by the children. News. After that, pledge. The system. After pledge, go on. We have motivational thoughts. After motivational thoughts, there is speech, and after speech, morning news headlines, and after that we teach our children some PT, N.C.C. training is given, right turn, left turn, about turn, and after national anthem, now students are going to their respective classes. You can see none of the student is running. They are supposed to walk in a queue, maintaining the discipline, and they will go to their respective classes. One after another, the house captain is responsible to dispatch the line one after another, and they are supposed to look after all the children of their house, that they shouldn't break any discipline while walking in a queue or climbing the upstairs. And in the upstairs, all volunteers are appointed to guide all the children. Some children after school, all students are very busy going to their homes, and all the children, those who go by buses, they are sitting inside the bus and all work is done.